Hello, my name is Michelle Pavitt. I'm with advising at SMCC, and I'd like to introduce you to a document called your program or degree worksheet. First of all, how to find it. Once you have entered the portal and logged into the system, you would click on My Main Guide, which is the menu for the portal. On the left-hand side, when you're looking at My Main Guide, you would scroll down until you reach the word Orientation. Click on Orientation, and then the degree worksheets will appear on the right side of the screen. These are all the programs that we offer at the college. I'm going to use the Business Administration program worksheet as an example today, and I'm hoping that the ideas that we go over will be applicable to your own program. So we're first going to scroll down to the second page, and we're going to talk about a few different elements that we see here. One of them is the list of credits. And you'll notice that most of our courses have 3 credits, with the exception of a couple. There's one course with 4 credits, and that's a science elective with a lab. And since the lab meets for about 1 hour per week, the course has 4 credits. The student success elective has 1 credit, which is a shorter course. In many cases, it meets for half of the semester or 8 weeks. And you'll notice that at the bottom of the column, we have one category that requires 6 credits. And in that case, since most of our courses have 3, you can assume that you'll be asked to take 2 courses in that category. And if you have a higher number on your degree program, such as a 12, you would be taking 4 classes in that elective category. Now let's go over these 2 columns for prerequisites and co-requisites. And many of you have heard of these terms before, but just in case you don't remember the difference, we'll go over them. A prerequisite is a course that needs to be completed before you can take the required course. So if you've placed into pre-college English classes 090 and 095, for example, you would complete those first before taking English 100, English composition. A co-requisite class is one that they would like you to take at the same time or previous to the required class on the left. So for example, for financial accounting, you would take the prerequisite class first, Math 030, and at the same time as enrolling in financial accounting, you would take English 100. So now we are going to scroll up to a different version of the degree worksheet, which includes exactly the same list of required courses. So these courses are the same. However, in this case, they're organized for you by semester. Now you'll notice at the top of the column, it says requirement, and these are all requirements for the program. They must all be completed in order to earn the degree. However, it's not a requirement that you take them in exactly this order. For example, some students don't take full-time credit load if they are working. Some of the classes that are recommended for the first semester include the Student Success Elective, the Math Requirement, and English Requirement. And those are offered first because many times those serve as prerequisites for other courses. We also recommend that students take at least 1 course in their chosen major within the first semester. Those students who would like to be taking a full-time course load, either because of requirement for housing or for financial aid, should sign up for at least 12 credits. 12 credits or more is considered full-time. So this was a brief introduction to the degree worksheet. I hope you found it helpful. And when you have questions, please visit us in the advising office. Thank you.